Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you how you can solve this problem on Roblox. So as you can see, whenever I try to open Roblox, I get this critical system files are missing or damaged. Please repair or restart your Windows installation. So this error pops up every time I try to open Roblox. In this video, I will show you 3 different steps you can fix this problem forever. Alright, so let's start the video. So now what we have to do, just open CMD, search for CMD and press enter. So now we have to paste this code here. Alright, so I have this code. I will provide this code on the description of my video. Just copy it and here you need to paste it, okay, and then press enter. So what we have to do is first open CMD or command prompt, then we need to run as administrator. All right, just keep this in mind. And here we need to paste a code. I will provide this code in a description. Just copy it and paste here, okay. So now once you have pasted the code, press enter and it will take some time. It will verify all your corrupted files and it will repair the files, okay. So let's wait, it will take some time, depends upon your system. If you have a great graphics, it will take less, and if you have slow graphics or you have low end PC, it will take a lot of time. So yeah, let's wait. So as you can see, the first step has been completed. It says Windows, so it says did not find any integrity violence, okay. So after this step, try to restart your computer and try to open Roblox. And if this step doesn't work for you, so it might not work for you, okay. It is not, so you have to proceed with the second step, okay. Just copy this from the description and then simply paste it, okay, and then press enter, okay. This will take some more time, so just wait. And yeah, So after 2 long hours, our second step is completed. So even after doing the second step, if you open Roblox and you find out the same problem, the third step will definitely fix the problem from the bottom. So now we have to paste the third code. Okay, copy, paste. Okay, so now after doing the third step, so we don't have to do anything, just paste it and it says the operation completed successfully. So just do it and your problem will be fixed. But even after doing the third step, if the problem didn't got fixed, then I'm sorry to say, at the end of the day you have to reinstall your Windows, right? So this is the only solution, and if this works, then please like my video and comment on my video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.